what happens is project manager doesn't differentiate. He wants to train each and every student. He wants to give the values, the morale, and the work ethic that L&T follows. So he allows every student to go through every department for at least 15 days so that they can have clear knowledge. Hey there, this is me Ashish welcoming to all of you on my YouTube channel Ashish Engineering. Hope everybody is thriving in their lives and living happily with their families. So everyone, in today's video I'm going to clarify some of the doubts regarding L&T Construction that have been asked by many fresher students. Those have been hired by L&T Construction in 2022. So they are having some of the doubts. Those are somewhat similar to everyone. I mean each and every student are having doubt. Those have been hired by L&T Construction, but their doubts are somewhat similar. So I have picked 3 doubts from the comment sections and I'll be clarifying those doubts so that freshers, those are craving for the answers, they can have satisfactory answers, because I am working in L&T Construction, so I know everything. I won't say everything, but most of the thing about L&T Construction. Alright, so those doubts are as such. First, regarding their job profile in L&T Construction, most of the freshers are asking, sir, please let us know what will be our job profile during our training period. Alright, and the second doubt is, sir, how we are going to get our confirmation, because L&T has offered us 1 year training program, and after that they have informed us that if you will complete your training successfully, you'll be absorbed as a permanent employee in L&T Construction. All right, and as students are telling that, sir, we are coming from different branches. I'm not talking specifically civil engineering branch. I'm talking about civil engineering, mechanical engineering, computer science and engineering, electrical and electronics engineering. All right, so L&T has good potential. It hires students from all the departments. That is why students are in doubt, in a dilemma, that what type of job profile we are going to get. All right, and there is one third doubt that I encountered every time whenever I open my comment section. I encountered this question. This question is like, sir, we are fresher, we graduated from this private college on this or that year, and now we are not having any job, but we are craving to work in L&T Construction because L&T is one of the top and finest company in India, and it gives a good chance to grow. So I'll be focusing on this particular doubt more and more, so that students, those are fresher and they are not having job, and L&T doesn't go for hiring in their colleges, so that they can have that clarification and they can know actually how they can be a part of L&T Construction. All right, so let's start from the first doubt. So the first doubt is, what will be our job profile as a fresher in L&T Construction? So everyone, first of all, congratulations that you have cleared your aptitude test, your interview round, and now you have cleared your medical checkup. I'm thinking that you might have cleared your medical checkup too, and now you are waiting for your offer letter and joining. So don't worry, it does not matter you are coming from mechanical engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, or computer science or IT background. L&T will train you in different departments. So L&T works in 2 type of culture. One is office culture, one is site culture, because L&T Construction is a construction company. All right, so your job profile will be different. If you are posted in site, your job profile will be different. If you are posted at offices, headquarters, your job profile will be different. I'm working in site, so I know better about site profiles, but yes, I will try my best so that you can have basic knowledge of office job. Let's suppose you are coming from CSC background and company has hired you, so there are 95% chances that you will be getting your posting in headquarter. So in headquarter you might get a chance to work with ISD department, or with the IT department, or with the system department, or they can put you in procurement department, because procurement person needs a lot of desk work, and there is one EIP system in L&T Construction, so they might teach you, they might train you on that particular thing so that you can have good command, because you are coming from CSC background. All right, but if you are from mechanical, electrical, civil, then you will also be having same type of job, and but your department will be related to civil, related to electrical, related to mechanical. But if you are posted at site, so site culture is somewhat different. In the very beginning, when you are reporting to the site, and mostly L&T sites are having different department. There will be planning department, there will be quality department, there will be EHS department, there will be MEP department, there will be structural department, there will be store, there will be account, and there will be P&M department. So here what happens is, project manager doesn't differentiate. He wants to train each and every student. He wants to give the values, the morale, and the work ethic that L&T follows. So he allows every student to go through every department for at least 15 days so that they can have clear knowledge, and after that, as per the project suitability, project manager utilize them for 1 year, and after that, as per their job profile, as per their education, they get their job profile. Let's suppose you are coming civil background, then most probably you might get quality department, or you might get planning or execution department. And if you are coming mechanical department, you might go P&M department, plant and machinery department, or there is one separate department, structural department. If you are not going in those two departments, then you might be working at site as a structural person, and similar goes for electrical, similar goes for mechanical. All right, so don't worry about your job profile. After confirmation, you are going to get your job profile as per your branches, as per your qualification that you have done. All right, so now let's come to the second doubt. Second doubt is, sir, how we are going to get our confirmation? So see, if L&T offers you a training program, then it gives you values to learn. It gives you a space where you can learn, you can thrive, you can have good opportunity, you can grow like a hill. So sky is limit. So you have to be very attentive, you have to be present at site each and every day, and if there is any specific reason, you can talk to project manager, and they will definitely provide you leaves. So don't try to be absent at site, be present at site, learn, and whatever training program, whatever skills they are providing you, you please try to attain, try to absorb, and there will be assessments. So whatever assessment they are asking, you have to attain each and every assessment. Does not matter you know it or you know it very well, or you don't know anything about that assessment. If you don't know, you take help from your seniors. They will be your immediate superiors, they will help you. All right, so you have to be very focused with your training. Otherwise, L&T might increase your training time. If you are doing any wrong thing at the time of your training, L&T project manager, sometimes project manager avoids, most of the time project manager avoids, but if it is a serious case, they might terminate you from there itself. So be careful while training, and yes, L&T provides you a great platform to learn, to grow. So be attentive, learn, and definitely, and for your information, L&T doesn't reject anyone if they have hired, and if a person has done a good job, I mean, let's say okay job in L&T Construction during his training period, still L&T absorbs him, because they know that if that person can stay for 1 year, though he hasn't done a huge work, still L&T believes that he is having potential. If we can sustain him 1 year, if he will stay for 2 years, 3 years, definitely he'll get evolved with work, and then he'll bring out result for the company. All right, so don't worry, L&T will definitely absorb you, and they will offer you a permanent job. So be happy. All right, so now let's focus on third doubt. As I informed earlier, that I'll be focusing on this particular doubt more and more. The reason behind is, there are so many freshers, they are coming from different private colleges where L&T doesn't visit, so they don't get chance to get hired by L&T as a fresher, and they don't get chance to learn with L&T, to grow with L&T, right? So they are devastated, and there are so many freshers, they are from different branches, civil, mechanical, electrical, basically from core branches, even from IT department also. They are asking, sir, how we can join L&T Construction. All right, because L&T also providing jobs to computer science and IT engineers. All right, so for your knowledge, I would like to tell you that if you are not being hired by L&T Construction as a fresher, then there are very rare chances that L&T will hire you as a fresher. But yes, L&T will definitely hire you if you are having good knowledge, good command in your particular field. So for that, you have to get experience in particular field. Let's suppose you are coming from civil background. So if you have been hired as a fresher, then L&T would have been trained you in different department, and after the assessment as per your skill, it would have been given you a particular job profile. But now L&T doesn't know what type of education you are having, though you will show that I'm from this college, that college, but it doesn't believe. All right, because L&T is paying you, so he needs good work. All right, because L&T is having value in the market. So the thing is, you can join L&T Construction, still you can join L&T Construction, but you have to have a specific knowledge on a particular field. Let's suppose you are coming from civil background and you want to join L&T Construction. So if you are having good command in any specific field, let's suppose in transportation, you are having good command and you are having 2 to 3 years of experience, definitely L&T will hire you. Most of the time L&T posts their job vacancies in LinkedIn. If not in LinkedIn, you can usually visit L&T career base. From there you can have access and you can easily join, and they will offer you lucrative you offer and so many things, and you can be a part of L&T. So don't be devastated if you are not part of L&T as a fresher. You can be a part of L&T after getting some of years experience. All right, so get good experience, train yourself in particular fields, in some specific fields. Does not matter from which branch you are coming from, whatever branch you are belonging, you have to train yourself in some specific field, so that L&T can believe in you, that yes, if you have applied for this particular job and you are proving that you are having values, you know the things, and L&T requires that thing, L&T will definitely hire you. All right, so I hope I have clarified your doubts, and still if you are having any of the doubts, you can put in comment section. Whenever I will be having time, or I will just reply in comment section. Whenever I'll be having time, I'll come with another video and I will try to clarify. So till then, bye bye, have a great time, and all the very best for your future.